In today's fast-paced world, we're constantly bombarded with distractions, noise, and stress. We're always connected, but we're often disconnected from ourselves and the natural world. We've forgotten how to be present in the moment, to slow down and appreciate the simple beauty of nature. This can lead to anxiety, stress, and a sense of unease. Mindfulness meditation is a powerful tool for reconnecting with ourselves and the natural world. It allows us to cultivate present moment awareness, reducing stress and anxiety, while enhancing our overall well-being. Our channel, Modern Satisfying Sounds, offers mindfulness meditation experiences guided by the soothing sounds of nature. Let the forest embrace you, the gentle breeze caress your face, and the sounds of nature guide you into a state of deep relaxation and self-discovery. Regular mindfulness meditation practice can lead to a variety of benefits, including reduced stress, improved focus, enhanced self-awareness, and a greater sense of inner peace. Allow the sounds of nature to wash over you, gently drawing your attention to the present moment.